Hi, Nicole. Just wanted to start by congratulating you for such an awesome honor, most influential women in payments. Such an amazing personal and professional achievement.
Thank you, Anu. I really appreciate it. And congratulations to you as well. It's such an honor for our organization and CPTS and for the bank and for both of us personally. 2020 was a wild ride, personally for many of us, and especially for payments. So how did you see your customers and the bank evolve over the last year?
I would have to say, Nicole, it is the remarkable speed at which individuals and businesses and clients have adapted to, the year of the pandemic is so amazing, right? While initially there was a short pause where perhaps our clients and customers took a detour towards focusing on risk mitigation and continuity of business, very quickly they were really back to pushing the envelope on payments and pushing the full throttle to innovation. So one example comes to mind, right? So I'll give you a small story about my favorite ice cream store in my neighborhood. It's a small store. It's been in existence for about 11, 12 years. They source, produce, hire locally. The store itself, if I paint a picture for you, is a small little store which can barely fit like 5-6 people inside. Before the pandemic, this was a cash-only store. In fact, this was my biggest pet peeve, right? My trip to the store would involve a pit stop on the ATM. The pandemic happened and they went from a cash-only store to a no-cash fee store in a matter of weeks. So that's the sort of change that I'm talking about, and how the timeline of the change itself has been compressed to a very, very short period of time. What about you, Nicole? What are you seeing at your end?
In the corporate space, we always told our customers that payments was the easiest place to start from an automation and electronification process. And the pandemic proved us 100% correct. So when the pandemic did hit, we saw from an AP automation and AR automation process, payments be one of the first things to change. And, customers really started asking us more about how to automate their payments. And we've seen that with our new product, AP Optimizer. And it's nice to know after years of telling our customers, it really was true. Payments are the fastest part to automate and electronify within your AP/AR process. We have just as much technology as any of the large technology players, right? We are a technology company and also a bank.
Absolutely, Nicole. In fact, I would say one notable evolution that I continue to observe is our customers' attitude towards innovation as a whole, right? So our customers are no longer looking for innovation for the sake of innovation, but it's more about delivering meaningful and scalable innovation that's going to help them get a market advantage. What does that mean for us? It's been a fundamental pivot. Like you said, we are becoming a technology company. So we are also changing the way in which we are developing and creating new products. So we're actually now sitting across the table with our clients as an extension of their team. They bring us their business goals, their process flows, and their pain points, and we bring in the payment expertise and we bring in the industry knowledge. And the results are these fantastic, highly customized solutions that are aligned to address the highest priority pain points for our clients. So that I feel is really amazing.